Okay, comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. We've had many teams from other countries announce their MX Nations roster, and we've had ours, the US team, waited on, I'm assuming, this guy to see how he would come back and do. And with the Ironman National going 4-3, finishing third, not a bad showing, especially considering he's been out for so long to come up and finish ahead of Hunter Lawrence, who was a title contender, Jason Anderson, Cooper, Christian Craig, all the people that are still racing. The only people he finished behind are Aaron Plessinger and Chase Sexton. Probably the other two 450 choices you have. I mean, obviously, Chase is probably going to be one of them. And it's going to be the question of, is Aaron Plessinger or Eli Tomac going to be the other 450 rider? And you really can't go wrong either way. I mean, obviously, Aaron Plessinger is going to be a fan favorite. He's going to be all about the USA thing. It's going to be cool to have him there if he does. But the other question is, do you want him or do you want Tomac, who, with a month or so to go before the donations? It's hard to say. I say probably Tomac. Let's be honest, he is a faster rider, a more competitive rider than I think Plessinger is. Not saying Plessinger's bad in any way, just ranking it how I see it. Title winner, title contender, Tomac is probably going to be a better choice, especially with a month or so to get fully heal, you know, train a little bit more and be back on the bike for a while. But that's what I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is it going to be, do you think it should be Tomac or Plessinger, and why? Do you have opinion because one way or the other? And I'm assuming too, do you think Chase should go? Let's just throw that in there. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Give me your opinion on this. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.